on the wrong side of the road. I've just driven my van for the first time. It's like, my God, it feels humongous. So if we haven't actually met yet, I'm Helen and I'm taking a gap year. I just bought this van in Europe and I've got 1 year to go and travel around and do all the things that I've always wanted to do traveling Europe. So eating all the stuff. Mixed cheese and salami plate. Happy girl. And of course, chocolate. Visiting all the sites. Heading to the Netherlands today. I'm riding around Rotterdam. You know what you do when the weather's wet? You put on a raincoat and you go anyway. It's meeting interesting people. I just met the coolest guy. He hands out birdseed in the square. Am I a witch? Yes. I'm being weighed to see if I'm a witch.
Hello.
Hello.
Give her a like.
Yes. And I'm taking videos in the hope that people like you will actually go, wow, that's really cool. I want to do it too. So hit that subscribe button and then you can come along and see all the adventures that I go on. And if you comment in the comments, you can maybe help me plan some of it or give me some hot tips.